Hi students, in this tutorial I'm gonna go ahead and introduce you to classes, objects and instance variables in C#. So now this tutorial is going to be a very important tutorial. Make sure to understand every concept that I actually teach you in this tutorial and make sure to practice on the skills that I am going to teach you. So first let's actually create a new project. At the top just click on File, New, and then click on Project. So here again choose templates, Visual C#, and then you can click on Classic Desktop here, and you can just click on this console application. So the name here, the name of the project is going to be Classes and Objects. So this is going to be the name of the project. So here you can specify the location and the solution name, as you can see here, and make sure to create a directory for the solution. So just click on OK here. So let's wait a little bit here, and now the project is created. First of all, I want to talk about this namespace here. So let me actually at the top just click on View here, and then click on Solution Explorer here in order to open this window, Solution Explorer. So if you have already opened this window here, so look at this Explorer here. As you can see, we have these files. These are the project files. So you can see that inside the solution, this is actually a directory, right? We have these files, and the name is Classes and Objects. So this is the name of the project, or in other words, this is actually the namespace, right? And inside this namespace, we have properties, right? We have references, we have app.config, and the most important file here is this one, program.cs, right? So this program.cs is the name of the class inside this namespace. So now let me tell you that if I actually delete this namespace and the curly braces that are related to this namespace, nothing is going to happen. So for example, if I delete this value namespace here, and I need to actually delete this opening curly brace and this closing curly brace of that namespace, as you can see, nothing happened. There is no error here. Why? Because the compiler already knows that this program class is inside this Classes and Objects namespace. So if you delete that namespace, nothing is going to happen. So inside that namespace, you can see that we have this class, right? Program. And inside this class, we have this main method. So I taught you how you can actually change the name of the class, right? So inside this Solution Explorer, I can just click on this program.cs. This is the name of the class, right? This is the class file actually. And you can just right click on it and then click on rename. Or you can just click on it and then press on F2 key on your keyboard. And now I can say that the name of this class is going to be, for example, main class, right? So as you can see, the name of the class is actually started with capital letter, and the subsequent words also starts with capital letter. So this is a convention in actually C# in order to name our classes. So when you actually finish naming your class name here, and then you just need to press an enter key on your keyboard, and now it's gonna set the class name to main class. And now as you can see, the class name is not updated here, right? So it says class program, so I must actually update this class here also. So now I just need to select this program here, and then here I can just say main class.